Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make these origami hearts, which can be used as a gift for occasions like Mother's Day or Valentine's Day. Once you have downloaded the product and extracted the zip file, you will find 5 resources inside. The first is a template for the origami in black and white format. The second is the same, except it includes the wording Happy Mother's Day. The third is the color option, which has a pink gradient. The fourth is the color option as well, but with the wording Happy Mother's Day. And finally, the last is a plain template that your students can design themselves. Each of these resources come with guidelines that show you exactly where the folds need to be made. Each sheet will come with 3 origami templates per page for you to print. These templates will be identical on your copies, but for the purpose of this video, we used an example with mixed templates. Cut out the templates following the outer guidelines. You will see on your template there are various dash lines. We will refer to these as crease lines, as these are the lines where you will make your folds. Step 1. Fold the paper in half by matching up the corners and making your fold like so. After, you can check that the fold matches the crease line in the middle of the paper. You will now look for a faint dotted line as shown here. This is your next crease line. Step 2. Fold along the dotted line so that the edge meets the center of the paper. Make your fold, then turn the paper round and do the same on the opposite side. In step 3, you will be looking for another faint dotted line like shown here. Fold along this line using the crease line as a marker. Turn it around and do the same on the opposite side. It should now look like so. For step 4, fold the paper back over using the crease from step 3. You will now be looking for a faint diagonal dotted line. There will be one at the top and one at the bottom. Fold these diagonal lines over using the crease lines as markers at both the top and the bottom of the paper. Turn the paper around, fold over the crease line from step 3 and make the same folds again along the diagonal dotted lines like so. Now we're moving on to step 5, and this is where it can get a little bit trickier. Now unfold your paper so that it is flat. Find your fold from step 4. It should look like a triangle. Push in and fold it over itself. Do the same on the top and the bottom. Then turn the paper around and do the same on the opposite side. Push it in, fold it over itself on both sides. It should now look something like this. Moving on to step 6. Hold your paper up, find the faint dotted line at the top and fold it back over itself like so. Turn the paper around and do the same on the opposite side. Look for the faint dotted line, fold the paper over itself and make the crease. With the paper facing up, find the dashed lines that run parallel through the center. Fold in the paper over the crease lines on both sides. You will now have a square to the left hand side and the right hand side. Fold this square in half over the back of the paper using the crease line as a guide. Do the same on the opposite side. For step 9, follow the shape of the heart and fold these corners back. Turn the paper around and you will see a short line at the tip of the folds. Fold the paper back over this line like so. Follow the shape of the heart again and fold in the bottom of the heart. Now we're going to repeat this process on the other side. Follow the shape of the heart, fold in the top two corners, turn it around, find the short line, fold the tip of the heart back over, and then fold in the bottom of the heart. Using the crease that you already have in the center, fold the right part of the heart into the center and make a new crease at the back. Do the same to the other side, fold it into the center and make a crease at the back. And there you have it, an origami heart. You can use the center portion to write a message to your loved one. Make it your own by decorating them as you like.